and to take the PS4, break it apart, and then put it at the back, and to get all these pieces together, then it feels like, you know, one of those endings where you're a little bit sad. To get to this point where I actually have everything working and set up, and to be able to put a PS4 into a PC's tower with a PC, and for it to work and be able to change between both worlds from PC gaming to PS4 is amazing. But it all started with an idea, and that's the great thing about it, to be able to visualize something, to do research about it, to spend weeks thinking about such a project, and to even get attached, because I'm a Mac user, so all my systems are Apple, and to move to PC, to build a PC, it feels very personal. And to take the PS4, break it apart, and then put it at the back, and to get all these pieces together, then it feels like, you know, one of those endings where you're a little bit sad. You know, like switch between the two worlds. Jesus. Wait, I need to find some cover. Guys, smoking. Okay, let's go. Go. Yo, did you see that? So anyway, to be able to that's not how I play. Yeah, but to be able to switch between the two worlds is quite great, and to be able to build something like this. And I went all out because I want it also to be a family PC, so it can be. So to be able to switch between the PC and to the PS4, and eventually I'll have a capture card and then route it to the PC and then have it on OBS, would be perfect. And in the future, if a better idea comes in how I can be able to fully integrate it, then I'll be able to do that. So I'm still researching on a lot of things, and then in the process I'll keep on building and upgrading to a level that it comes to be like 100% correct. So this is it. I've been spotted. Get up. Run. What the hell? Oops. Oops. Nice. Let's go. Damn. Yeah, well, once I get rescued, I can carry on. But that's the fun. That's the fun of it. I don't know even what to say anymore. Thank you guys for following. Let's give up. So thank you guys for following. Thank you for liking. Stay tuned for more creative ideas, more creative concepts. Remember, share, talk about it. Come on, show me your build. Write in the comments what you're working on. I will definitely follow and check it out. And then, let's grow together. That's the point of it all. Otherwise, let me try and get myself to a point and play proper. Yeah, where I can give them commands. It to OBS, I can be able to stream if I want to stream the PC games and whatever else, whichever other game I want to stream. And then once I've perfected that, then I'm in business. Not really like I'm in business, but it's just a fun way of designing and seeing something come together. So to many other projects, I have a lot of other ideas I want to do. If you like RC cars, go to Afrodust RC on YouTube. You'll find me there. I modify RC cars. I have a Cloud RC coming soon where I drive RC cars remotely. That's the reason I built the PC, to be able to do certain things there. And then with this, we'll continue building stuff, coming up with different ideas. I have a couple of Game Boys I want to fix and many others. So remember to hit the like, remember to subscribe, and remember to follow. Peace. See you on the flip side.